And today we're going to be checking out this SHASHIBO magnetic cube. That's right, this is a little cube that's got 36 rare earth magnets inside. And what you do is you take it out and you unfold it and you can change the shape of it into up to 70 plus shapes, and you can transform it back into a cube. It is a great fidget toy. It is also great for family game night if y'all are sitting around and want to challenge each other. I know that we'll like to unfold it and then give it to somebody and time them to see how fast they can get it back into a cube. You can also buy multiples of these and join them together to make even more complex puzzles and sculptures. This is great for your problem solving skills. It's also great for hand-eye coordination, and it's also going to help you develop those problem-solving skills as well. So it's really great for the little ones. So let's go ahead. We're going to jump over here to the bench, and I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works. So let's do it. And all right, here's the little cube itself. We're going to open it up real fast, just like this. And here it is. Now you can see a few little seams in here, and the way that you get it to open is you just pick a seam, and you put your put your nails in there and you just pull it apart and the magic begins. Check out this. You can actually separate it, flip it, build a whole bunch of different shapes. Like here's a shape. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but let's say if I want to do it this way. Now I have half a cube. All right, let's see what else we can come up with. And there is a manual that provides you like a standard group of shapes that you're supposed to try to replicate. So you can use that in your challenges as well. But we already did that one. But as you can see, you can roll it, you can flip it. You can stick these magnets in so many different configurations. And it's actually fairly tough, I will admit, because my 4-year-old is not the most gentle 4-year-old, and he plays with this, and he's really actually good at putting it back into a cube, and it's lasted his fury. I know I just unboxed it, but we've been playing with this thing for the last week, doing all kind of challenges. Like I said, the main one we like to do is me and my wife will unscramble it and get it in a crazy state, and then we'll give it to the kids, and they got to try to get it back into a cube. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get it back into a cube myself, but I might have to get one of the kids to do it for me. Okay, let's open that up. Bring this down. We want to get all this same blue color on the outside. Now there are so many different colors. Oh look, we almost made a star. But there's so many different colors, and like I said, you can join these together to make different sculptures and take it to a whole new level. There we go, I got it. So just like that, we got it back to a cube. It's not an impossible game to where like a lot of people will find like a Rubik's Cube impossible to do. This is actually just quite fun. It's cool to see all the different shapes that you can make, and it's never really that challenging to get back to a cube for storage. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.